Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to clean your Samsung Galaxy Buds4 Pro earbuds. So, the thing you need to prepare. As you can see here, I've got the alcohol and here the brush. These are two things that you need to have. Apart from that, you may have some, maybe not that soft brush, you may have some more, as you can see, more sharp brush, but remember to not use any metallic tools. So the first thing that we need to do, take out both earbuds out of the case. Take this alcohol and spray it at the brush. This is how I always clean my earbuds, and it always was a good idea to do so. Spray it 3 times, and now let's start. Here, let me clean the inside of our earbuds like this, over here, and near this pins. Remember to not use water, because water can damage these internals. And as for the alcohol, it won't leave any, stink, so don't worry about that. Clean this whole area over here. Remember about these pins. And after just a quick wipes, you should be done. As you can see, it's like this. Now we can take the microfiber cloth and wipe it like this, and like this. Okay, now the inside of the case is clean. What about the other parts? So, as you can see, the most important thing here is the charging port. So once again, we want to spray your brush, maybe now 2 times again, and wipe it like this, whole case around it. And now let's go to the charging port over here. As you can see, is right here. So don't use water and clean elegantly like this without using strength. It has to be delicate. Don't use hot glue like in the TikTok videos they use, and everything should be working fine. Now, as you can see, it's looking slightly better, more clean. You can use gloves, but I don't really think that these are necessary. And now we are done. You can take with yourself another microfiber cloth and wipe your earbuds once again. Your case once again. And the process of cleaning your earbuds is halfway done. As you can see, they now look more elegant. Let me clean it deeply. Now from inside again. Now, apart from this transparent plastic thing, everything is clear. It's because of my fingers, so don't worry. As you can see, here we are done. Let's move to the earbuds. So don't spray that much alcohol here. Just leave it as it was, or just spray 1 time. Like this. Now, just wipe the area inside the ear tip. I don't recommend to remove the ear tips and don't dip them into the water. Just clean them like this. Now, try to do something like this to unwing it. And now here, clean here this part of this ear tip. And now here it's done. Now we can clean the stem here, this part where nobody looks at, but it's getting dirty along the time. The ANC microphones, the normal microphone, and the same thing you need to do with the second one. Like this. This is the ANC microphone, as you can see here. This is normal microphone. So we can clean this microphone, which is normal here, and normal here, and this ANC. So both microphones can be clean so that we can talk flawlessly. Now I can put both earbuds in the case, and now they are nice and clean. That's it, how it helps you, and goodbye.